Let's talk about the currencies then. Peter Rosenstreich joins us. Peter is Chief Market Analyst at Advanced Currency Markets. Peter, goodness me, what do you do with euro dollar at this point here now? I mean, goodness, very hard to bernanke that the euro's got more juice in it.
Well, I think it does have a little more juice. I think the comments that we heard out of Bernanke last night it means that the U.S. market is going to continue to ease. We're looking for, probably 25 this time around and perhaps even 50, and that's going to lead to continued interest rate cuts, as well as the ECB going to hold the hawkish comments from Trichet means that that'll be relatively supportive for the euro, and basically markets factoring some significant dollar weakness from here, and I think we can continue to inch up on the euro dollar.
But is there too much bullishness on the Eurozone growth story even at this point? I mean, I take on board what you've said about ECB rates being on hold, but it seems to me that this is a crowded trade. Everybody wants to be with the euro at this point, and you do wonder if it's running out of gas here, because surely these aggressive Fed cuts were already priced in by the market, if not confirmed by Bernanke.
Correct. You always have to take the crowded trade theory a little bit with a grain of salt in the currency market. There's always a little more room, and many people have been burnt with saying, well, it can't go any higher. I think the fact that, a lot of the interest rate cuts are already priced in the U.S. However, there's continued decay in the U.S. fundamentals, and we heard that yesterday really implicitly with Bernanke's comments, and that'll give room for continued appreciation in the euro dollar.
Peter, can I ask you about the yen? Do you think the Bank of Japan is going to cut rates? I see Fukui on the wires talking about just how the economic outlook is struggling there.
Yeah. Pretty gloomy there in Japan, that's for sure. The consumer confidence continues to show a very negative decline. I don't believe there's going to be an interest rate cut in any time soon, and I don't think there's going to be an interest rate hike for that matter. I think they're going to stay at 0.5 and wait to see what develops sort of in the global marketplace, and really more particularly what happens in the global growth overall.
Can I just raise the issue of the pound with you as well? Do you think forecasts of the pound's death have been overdone, given the Bank of England's now held off on a rate move?
Well, I think from my looking forward on the UK, I think there's going to be some significant deterioration in the underlying UK economics, and I think the BOE needs to address that. And we're looking for somewhere around 4% in mid-2009, and I'm not sure that's priced in fully in the cable just yet. So I think we'll continue to see decline in the cable prices.
All right, Peter, nice to see you this morning. Thanks very much for the analysis.
Thank
Peter Rosenstreich joining us from Advanced Currency